Guys, alam nyo yung usual na sinasabi ng mga gaming phones out there, no? Let's say, may cooling system daw kami. Pero ito guys hinigitan pa nila yun guys. This is the brand new Nubia Neo 5 GT 5G Special Edition. At ang pinakamalaking bagay dito guys sa cellphone na to, meron po siyang liquid cooling, hindi lang yon, meron po siyang tinatawag din na air cooling at the same time. This is, I can say, the first smartphone na meron pong dalawang feature na yun guys magkasama sa loob ng isang cellphone. Guys, this is, I can say, born to win ang peg talaga ng cellphone na to. And after checking lahat ng mga specification and features nito, I think alam ko na kung bakit ito yung susunod na pag-uusapan ng mga gamers sa market here sa Pilipinas this year, 2026 guys. And if you're watching this video, we're giving away one Nubia Neo 5 GT Special Edition in this video, so watch till the end. Once again, this is James Apante, also known as Kuy James, and now James Epino. Tara, pag-usapan natin guys ang cellphone na to. So guys, eto yung box niya itself. Meron siyang medyo carbon fiber texture design. Again, Neo 5 GT. Again, this is not the ordinary Neo 5 GT guys. May Neo 5 GT but this is the special edition guys, as you can see here. Okay, we have here the display, which is an AMOLED screen, camera, mamaya itapakan naman natin yan, battery niya, and at the same time, yung kanyang processor. It has a 256GB of storage, and at the same time, 24GB of dynamic RAM guys. Tara, buksan na natin siya. I can say actually nakita ko naman na to, na-unbox ko na to, but you know, like Nubia sent us a new version, a new product, just for the sake na makita ninyo kung paano siya i-unbox. And honestly, sobrang ganda na cellphone. So panoorin mo to hanggang dulo. And again, namimigay tayo ng cellphone na to right on this video. Steady ka lang dyan. So right from the box itself, bumungad na siya agad. Tabi muna natin siya dito. And mapapansin mo as you can see pagtalapag ko dito, wala ka pa napapansin kung paano siya mag-sit down sa table. Sobrang flat niya. Okay, wala ka pa napapansin dyan. Wala siyang umbok. Okay, mamaya makikita mo kung bakit. Bagong-bago lang itong cellphone na to guys. And this is the flagship phone of Nubia. And I can say Nubia is really rising right now. So meron siyang case na kasama, which is a very interesting case as you can see. Napakanipis nito. Talagang they really paid attention sa ergonomics ng mga gamers. Meron siyang cable na napakaganda. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's an angular USB-C that I really think about sa mga gamers katulad mo. Grabe, kasi alam naman natin pag may charger, gaganon tayo ng kamay onte. Right now, hindi na nakaganon na yung kamay, okay? And meron po siyang brick na napakalaki. Just malalaman natin mamaya kung ilang watts ito. And I believe, nasa 80 watts ata to. But i-confirm natin mamaya guys while we go on the clock. But without further ado, this is the cellphone itself. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, buksan natin siya. Again, it has an aqua core cooling system. That's their term. Meron siyang triggers. Actually, Nubia is the one who introduced triggers sa market ng mga cellphone. And napaka-important nun para ka nag-Nintendo Switch or nag-PSP. Game mistake, MediaTek, buksan na natin siya. Here we go guys. And this is the first look on the Nubia Neo 5 GT guys. Wow! Look at that guys. Grabe. Wow! Just imagine guys kung gaano kaganda tong cellphone na to. Tanggalin natin guys yung sticker niya. Yes, pwede mo tanggalin tong sticker na to guys. You don't need this for warranty. Just in case kailangan mo, pwede mo tong idikit sa ilalim ng box. Okay, walang problema yan. But again, this is the phone itself. Wow! Grabe, ang ganda niya. I don't know kung na-appreciate nyo, but and it's flat guys it's flat. It's crazy flat. Wala siyang parang bumps or what. Flat on flat lang siya. It's very rare to find a smartphone na flagship na mataas ang specs, malinaw ang camera, malaki ang battery. And just to let you know ang dahilan ng mga ibang brands for having a bump sa camera nila is maraming specification nilagay sa phone. And this phone has a liquid cooling, which is makikita nyo mamaya papaganahin ko yung live. Kitang-kita yung tubig gumagalaw. And there's a vent here and there's a vent here. Just imagine kung paano niya nagawa yun guys. Because sabi nga nila, ito yung klase ng phone na hindi lang nila sinasabing gaming phone siya. Dinesign talaga siya para dun sa mga, let's say, cooling, next level. Yung display na ito guys, 144Hz, 1.5K display, battery, 6,210, may butal pa milliamperes. Controls, may dedicated triggers pa siya dito, up and down guys. So kung tipo mo ay, let's say, Mobile Legends, PUBG, Free Fire, COD, ayaw mo ng lag, allergic ka sa overheating sa gitna ng match, or nagpapas mo yung kamay mo dahil sa init ng cellphone mo, naghahanap ka ng phone na kayang sabayan lahat ng intensity i-demand mo, then this smartphone might be the phone that you're exactly waiting for. Ngayon, eto talaga yung bida guys sa video na to guys. This has a what they call a aqua core cooling system guys. Napakita ko sa inyo live na live right now. Gagana po. Nakikita nyo gumagalaw yung tubig? Look at that guys. This has a aqua core cooling system. Ibig sabihin hindi lang liquid cooling at air cooling guys. Pwede nga magkasabay mo gamitin, magkasabay yung feature na yun guys sa loob ng iisang cellphone chassis. Grabe, how is that even possible? Paano ba siya napapagana guys? Dito po yan guys. Liquid cooling, itatoggle mo lang ng on. As you can see guys, I don't know kung maririnig siya guys ng ating mic. Direct. Yan o. So, gumagana yung kanyang liquid cooling at the same time, gumagana yung kanyang fan. Guys, eto pag uminit pa talaga, ewan ko na lang guys And according sa Nubia, wala pang ibang phone sa class na to ang may ganitong setup or ganitong features combined. Meaning guys mas mahaba ang patience mo in terms of temperature kahit matagal kang maglaro. Also guys, magiging stable ang performance mo guys dahil again, meron siyang liquid cooling and fan cooling. Guys, eto again, meron siyang maliit na exhaust sa gilid para lumabas guys yung init. So habang nagigaming ka, wala kang magiging problema guys. Eto, kalmado lang. Next, usapang chipset naman guys. The Nubia Neo 5 GT Special Edition specifically runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 which is a 4nm octa-core processor with a maximum overclocking of 2.6 GHz guys. And up to guys, again 24 GB of dynamic RAM. That's a combination of 12 GB physical RAM and 12 GB of virtual RAM. And guys, 256 GB of default storage on the base model guys. At dahil dyan, sinasabayan siya again ng aqua core cooling. Hindi siya bumabagal. Mataas ang specifications, mataas ang RAM, mataas ang storage. Hindi nako-compromise ang performance dahil meron po siyang malupit na liquid cooling technology. At the same time, fan cooling technology pa siya guys in a smartphone. And guys, ito malupit kung talagang gaming ang trip mo, officially certified pa to ng MLBB for a 120 FPS gameplay guys. Meaning, full frames, zero compromise ayon mismo sa Nubia. Next naman guys, yung display. Guys, dito ako sobrang, I can say, na-excite. Napaka-important po talaga ng display sa akin kasi ito talaga yung pinaka-main experience of a smartphone. It has a 6.8 inches AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, 144Hz refresh rates, and up to, guys, ang tindi neto, 4,500 nits of peak of brightness. That's even more than guys sa iPhone na meron ako right now. Meaning, mas malinaw, mas matingkad ang colors, mas smooth ang bawat frames mo sa mga games mo. And kahit sikat ang araw, literal tirik na tirik guys, makikita mo pa rin ng maayos ang kalaban mo guys. So kahit naglalaro ka ng competitive titles, this will be a very very big advantage. At eto yung part na hindi mo basta-basta makikita sa mga phones na ka-competitor guys ng Nubia out there guys. The Nubia Neo 5 GT Special Edition has what they call the Neo Triggers 5.0 which has a 550Hz touch response time. Ibig sabihin, para ka naglalaro gamit ang physical shoulder button. This is not a physical button. Pero kung maalala mo guys yung 3D touch ng iPhone before, na pag pinress mo may para mararamdaman ka na trigger, ganun po yung nangyayari dito. And at the same time, meron pa tong immersive RGB lighting dito guys na lumalabas. Just in case na you think na RGB is still a blood in a gamer, because katulad ko mahilig po ako sa mga RGB. So kung naglalaro ka let's say ng mga Free Fire, PUBG, Mobile Legends, COD o kung ano-ano pa man, it will be more precise, is maging mas mabilis ang reaction time mo. Now eto, isa sa pinakamalaking dahilan bakit I can say talagang medyo on the top talaga tong cellphone na to guys Battery of course. Guys, it has a 6,210 mAh, not single cell. It's a dual cell battery guys. Meaning guys, meron pong dalawang battery guys sa loob ng cellphone na to. They join force just to sustain power and mas distributed po yung heat dissipation. Meron po siyang 80 watt wired fast charging. That's guys 80 watt. Parang kasing bilis na po ng charging guys ng mga MacBook yun right now. Ibig sabihin, 0 to 100% guys, sobrang bilis. And guys meron pa tong bypass charging guys. Meaning, kahit habang naka-charge ka, naglalaro ka, direktang power po ang pupunta sa cellphone mo right now, hindi sa battery guys. Which is very very important. That's bypass charging na importante pong hinahanap na feature ng mga gamer. At sabi nga nila, power that lasts even at 5% battery. Sinasabi ni Nubia na pwede ka pa rin maglaro ng hardcore games. Hindi mo mamimiss, let's say, pag dumating ka sa point na let's say may mga crucial clash or crucial match, guys, this phone talaga Wala na ako masabi. Now, camera naman ang pag-usapan natin. This part, I can say practical, pero solid pa rin guys. It has a 50 megapixel main camera with autofocus na po yan. And it has a 2 megapixel. Itong maliit na camera to is actually a depth sensor para mas gumanda yung mga bokeh mo whenever you're shooting portrait images. And guys, yung front camera naman po niya, it has a 16 megapixel front camera. And to be straight sa inyo, itong cellphone na to, hindi siya yung camera focus na phone. Pero honestly, it's already enough for everyday photos, content clips, video calls, streaming highlights, or I can say any practical duties na ide-demand mo sa mga smartphones right now this year 2026 by using their cameras. At meron pa siyang AI features na sobrang bagay or talagang ginawa ni Nubia para sa mga gamers. The Nubia Neo 5 GT Special Edition includes number 1, AI-powered pro coaching. So real-time combat status reporting ito habang naglalaro ka. Sunod, it has an AI gameplay assistant. It basically instantly answers sa gameplay questions mo 24/7. Sunod, it has a DTS X Ultra Audio para mas maging malinaw, immersive, marinig mo yung footstep and gunshots whenever kailangan mo. And number 4, it has a live island guys dito sa harap. Para pong dynamic island yun sa iPhone, basically, it provides the notification para hindi nakakasagabal sa gameplay mo. And guys, this runs on a MyOS 16 based on Android 16 na po. Nubia promises a 5 years of software updates. Pangako basically na magtatagal kayo ng cellphone na to, hindi katulad, ayoko na magsalita about this. At syempre, hindi rin nila kilalimutan guys ang forma sa cellphone na to. Of course, kanino pa nakikita yung cellphone na to, it has, again, as you can see, a flat back panel. Okay? Wala po siyang camera bump. This is one of the rarest feature na dinedemand ng mga users right now, guys. And guys, meron pa tong NFC support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, and IP64 rating. IP64 rating na meron pong vent. Just imagine how is that possible. So kahit gaming phone siya, hindi niya nasa-sacrifice ang mga practical na kailangan natin for everyday use. And ang pinakamalapit guys, this phone can actually really stand on its own. So, para kanino ang Nubia Neo 5 GT Special Edition? Honestly, very obvious naman. Para sa mga taong gusto ng phone na kayang sabayan ang matinding gaming sessions na dinedemand nila, hindi nag-overheat kahit let's say matagal mo na siyang gamitin. May dedicated gaming controls guys, one of a kind sa smartphones right now. Malaking battery at the same time mabilis mag-charge. And may pangakong 5 years of software updates. Perfect na perfect to for hindi lang sa mobile gamers I can say competitive mobile gamers talaga. Or let's say, naghahanap ka ng flagship level guys na gaming experience on a mid-range price. Ngayon, presyo naman neto, SRP neto is 26,999 pesos. Pero alam nyo naman guys, tayo guys sa Shopee. Of course, pag bibili nyo palagi Kuya James yan, laging bagsak presyo guys. May voucher at may discount. So basically, mas bababa pa dito yung actually price na makukuha nyo. Plus, of course, may mga freebies pa yan. Pag bumili kayo, ito mga Shopee live natin. Hindi lang ito yung phone na let's say, naghahanap ka ng mga basic na mga bagay-bagay katulad ng mga kino-content natin sa channel nito. Pero ito talagang phone na to, ginawa talaga siya, I can say, for serious gamer. Sobrang hirap talagang hanapan ng katapat ito guys right now sa presyo na to. Lalo na kapag naabutan nyo yung mga promo natin sa live. And honestly, Nubia didn't just add another cooling system in this line Hiniram nila yung concept ng cooling sa let's say data centers at ginawa nilang kasya, ginawa nilang portable yon on a smartphone. Liquid cooling, air cooling, all in one magkasama. At yun ang dahilan kung bakit guys, tinatawag po itong born to win ng maraming tao. And syempre guys, it's giveaway time guys. So in this video, we're giving away one Nubia Neo 5 GT worth 27,000 pesos completely for free guys. So but before that, i-announce lang muna natin guys yung winner ng Poco X8 Pro Max natin from our previous videos. So i-flash ko screen right now yung comment please na nanalo. Kung ikaw to, go message our Facebook page, Kuya James Apante with blue check mark to claim your prize. So paano ka makasali? Paano ka mananalo? Simple lang guys. I-like mo lang tong video na to, mag-subscribe ka right now and turn on the notification bell. And i-comment mo dyan guys sa baba yung favorite mo or nagustuhan mong feature on the Nubia Neo 5 GT Special Edition guys. And by the way, kung naghahanap kayo ng discounted, pinakamurang Nubia Neo 5 GT right now kung gusto mo na mag-check out guys with freebies pa as long as aabot ka, I have attached a link in the description right now with the biggest voucher, cash on delivery with 1 to 2 years international warranty. I-check out mo na, link in the description down below. Once again, this is James Apante, also known as Kuya James. And now, James Tipin. This is the Nubia Neo 5 GT Special Edition.